So good morning everyone. Today we are going to practice for the shortcut keys in MS Word. Okay. Yesterday we already conducted one class about the shortcut keys, but that is oral, na. So today we are going to use practically all the shortcut keys. Huh? We practice for these shortcut keys, right? Page break, control enter, super escape, format painter, change keys, ये सब एक एक करके हम try करते हैं. ठीक है? चलो. So going to take a new page here first. Need some data. So use this formula equal RAND. Hmm? Use for how many paragraphs? 6 paragraphs. Close the bracket, press enter. Okay. Now do one thing. I can select with the mouse like this. Okay. Otherwise, we can press shortcut key from the keyboard. What is the shortcut key for select all? What is the shortcut key for select all? Control A. Control A. So do one thing. Just आपको क्या प्रेस करना है? आपको सिर्फ कीबोर्ड से कंट्रोल ए प्रेस करना है. You have to press only control A to select all. Control and A. आई प्रेस कंट्रोल ए तो ये पूरा सेलेक्ट हो गया. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग द कीबोर्ड. प्रेस कंट्रोल ए. देखो ये पूरा सेलेक्ट हो गया है. देन इफ यू वांट्स टू मेक इट बोल्ड, क्या करना है? इसको बोल्ड करना है. देन यू हैव टू प्रेस कंट्रोल बी. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस की, दिस कंट्रोल बी फॉर बोल्ड. यू हैव टू, इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई बोल्ड, सो यू हैव टू प्रेस कंट्रोल बी आल्सो. तो क्या प्रेस करेंगे इसको? After press Ctrl A to select all, then press Ctrl B to apply bold. These all letters come in a bold letters. Now we want to make it justify. क्या करना है इसको? Justify. So for justify it, the shortcut key is the Control J. Justify means the all the contents will be equalized from the both side, from right and left. So press Control J. J for Joker. It's like this. Okay. Page break. Page break. How to use page break? Control Enter. Okay. Suppose there's only one page. There's only one page. Okay. And I want this data should come on a second page. After this two paragraph, this data should come on a second page. So simply press Control and Enter. When you press Control Enter, so this page will break from here, and this data will go to the next page. Okay. So मैं press कर रहा हूँ Control Enter like this. Okay. Again repeating. Just click here and press Control Enter. So this content will come. All the letters of this paragraph will come to the next page. Okay. This is a shortcut key for page break. Okay. Page break. Okay. We will use this superscript later on. So first let me apply the change case. Change case is the shift 3. It's mean first we have to select something. Suppose I'm selecting Control A to select all, or otherwise you want to select this only, तो इसको select कर लेते हैं. What is the shortcut key for change case? Shortcut key for change key is a shift plus F3. Shift plus F3. Shift plus F3. काम करते हैं, इसको रेड कर देते हैं जो हमने प्रैक्टिस कर लिया. ठीक है, ये वाला हो गया. बोल्ड भी कर लिया हमने. सेलेक्ट ऑल कर लिया. जस्टिफाई कर लिया. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द चेंज केस. चेंज केस के लिए फर्स्ट सेलेक्ट करना है, देन प्रेस शिफ्ट F3. शिफ्ट प्लस F3. कीबोर्ड में सबसे ऊपर टॉप रो में बटन्स होता है F1 F2 F3, वो वाला F3. ओके. शिफ्ट प्लस F3. व्हेन यू प्रेस शिफ्ट F3, all the letters come in capital letter. Again press shift plus F3, सब स्मॉल हो गया. अगेन शिफ्ट प्लस F3, ये हो गया हमारा सेंटेंस केस. अगेन शिफ्ट F3, कैपिटल. whenever you press shift F3, it will change the case. Okay, from capital to smaller letter, ये सब चेंज हो जाएगा. Okay. Paste. What is the use of paste? पहले copy करना पड़ेगा, then paste. To apply the paste, first we have to copy and then paste. Okay. So let me open this paragraph. Suppose I'm going to copy only this. ये select किया 2 lines. I select only these 2 lines and then press Ctrl C to copy. Now click here, press enter, and now I want these 2 lines here. So press Ctrl V. Okay. First select, then press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Ctrl V to paste here. It's not like that you pressed one time so you cannot again paste. अगर आपने एक बार कॉपी किया है, if you copy that content only one time, no matter, you can paste another time also, same it will come. Whenever you press Ctrl V, the same thing will come here with the paste option. Okay, so this also done. Okay, now this option font, the shortcut key font, Control D, Control D. Like I'm selecting this first. इसको select कर लिया. अब suppose मुझे इसका color change करना है. If I want to change the color or apply bold, italic, font name change करना है, so I have to click here. But all this option will come with the shortcut key Control plus D. Control plus D. Control plus D is the shortcut key for font option. देखते हैं कैसे होगा. तो ये select किया इसको हमने पहले. First I select this, then press Control plus D. When you press Control D, this will open. Okay. From here you can change. Like you can make it font size 16. 18 case. Control D. Font color you can change from here. If you want underline and the change, if you want to change the color of underline also, so you can like this. ये पूरा change होगा. Okay. This is a shortcut key for font option. तो इसको भी done कर देते हैं. There is option find option. Find and replace. Okay. Find is Control F and replace Control H. तो चलो word find करते हैं. Suppose I want to find out the word name. क्या find करें? Look. क्या find करना है? Look. L-O-O-K, look. Okay. So press Control F. Control F. When you press Control F, so this search option will come here. Find option. Now like right here, L-O-O-K, look, and then press enter. It will come here. यहाँ पे look लिखा है, यहाँ पे look लिखा है, यहाँ पे लिखा है. देखो ये सब जगह look लिखा है. Right? Again, Control F to find. Find a word quick. Q-U-I-C-K, quick, and find. देखो इतनी बार quick लिखा है ना? So this find option is also done. Now this option replace. Control H. Okay. तो वो भी ट्राई करते हैं. Press Control H. When you press Control H, so it will show you this option, find and replace option. First we have to find out कि हमको क्या find करना है. There's a one word quick. There's a one word quick. ये वाला word है ना quick, ये लिखा है. तो इसको find करते हैं. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. And I'm going to replace this quick word with a new word fast. I want to replace this word with a fast. You have option replace and replace all. We have already done practice this option. Okay. If you click on replace, so suppose in this page number of 10 times quick word is there. So if you click replace, so it will change, replace that word one by one. Okay. Then it's mean you have to click 10 times replace word to change all the quick word with a new word fast. But if you want to change all the quick word with a new word fast, so simply click on the replace option like that. सब चेंज हो गया है. कैसे पता चलेगा? अगेन प्रेस कंट्रोल एफ और यहाँ पे फाइंड करके देखते हैं हम क्या, FAST फास्ट. देखो सब चेंज हो गया. देखो जहां जहां पे क्विक था वहां वहां पे फास्ट हो गया. ठीक है. All the quick word is replaced with a new word fast like this. So this option is also done. Replace. Okay, go to option. देखते हैं. Suppose we have 2 pages. Okay. Press Control G. क्या करना है हमको? Page number change करना है. Suppose we are wants to go to the page number 2. When you press, so automatically it will come to the page number 2. This. Let me show one more example. Control N equal RAND. और just wait a minute. इसी को कंट्रोल ए कॉपी कर लेते हैं. How many pages here? 20 pages. Can you see? There's a 20 pages now. Now there are 20 pages. These are 20 pages. Suppose I want to go to the page number 10. Page number 10 पे जाना है. तो क्या press करना है? Control G. Control G press करो and then write here the 10 number, page number 10, and then go to option. See, now you are on page number 10. If you are confused, so you can do one thing, just press insert option and then apply page number. Write the page number on the top of the page like this. Now suppose I want to go to page number 15. So press Ctrl G and write here the page number 15. Yeah, like this. The cursor will come to the page number 15. I think this option is also clear to everyone. Uh, wrong भी show नहीं कर रहा है तो गलत लिखा. This are bad. I want to show you some example of this spelling and grammar. कोई mistake show नहीं कर रहा है. कुछ और देखते हैं. एक मिनट रुको. Write name here. See, suppose there's a word kartan. Okay, KRTN kartan. Or there's two mistakes. When you write anything wrong in the MS Word, and if there's any mistake of grammar, so it will come with the green underline like this. What is the mistake here? Mistake is this: after this template E, this full stop should be here. So there's no mistake. But if you are going space, giving a space here, so it will show you the error. Okay, and there's a KATRN. I write something, but in the dictionary there's a no meaning of this word, so the computer will show us with the error. Okay, this. Or suppose at the place of insert I write here the insert, the best way. There's a grammar mistake of this full stop. After this alphabet should be full stop here, there's no space should be here. Okay, and the spelling of insert is a INSERT, not P. So there's two mistakes. So how you can check spelling and grammar? The shortcut key for check spelling grammar is the F7. F7. Okay. So एक काम करते हैं. Just press F7 from the keyboard. See, now the computer is showing that INSERP is there. There is an error. So the computer will suggest us some other words like insert, infer, invert. Like these are words. Okay. So we can change. We can see which one is suitable for us. So it should be insert. So we can click here and then change all. If you click change, so what will happen? If this insert INSERP written only one time, then change is okay. But suppose in the whole document, this INSERP written 10 times. So you have to click 10, it will show 10 times this message. So you have to again and again press change. But if you want to change all these INSERP word to the INSERT insert, okay, you want to correct all together. So just simply click the option change all like this. Now this computer is showing some other mistake also, like and lists. So there should be no this comma. Okay, so it should be change. आप change कर सकते हो. Or if you think that you are correct, computer is wrong, so just click the option ignore. Ignore one, so one time it will ignore. If you want to write ignore all, ignore rule, so this message will never come again on the screen. Okay, and it's correct. LISTS, then comma, then cover pages. It should be like that. So we are correct. Computer is wrong this time. So we have to use option ignore rule. Simple. Now see, there's an error. I show you na template. So there should be no space between the E and full stop. So just click the option change. Simple. When the all grammar and spelling check, so it will come this message. Can you see there's a ruler on this page on the top side and the left side? Hide and view ruler option. Hide and view ruler option. What is the shortcut key? Alt plus V plus L. So I'm going to press Alt, V and L. Alt V L. देखो. Ruler is disappear. It's hide. Now press Alt V L again. Alt V L again. It will come back. Once you press, it will hide. Again, you have to press same key, so it will come back. Okay, this thesaurus option. This option used for if you want to find out some similar word. If you want some similar word. So like in this document, there's a word fast. I want to replace this fast with another with a new another word, but I don't know the which has the same meaning of the fast. Okay, so on that time you can use this thesaurus option, and this option is available on here in the review thesaurus. Otherwise, you can use the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key? Shift plus F7. Shift plus F7. This will come here. Okay. Now, right here word. Sorry, we have to use this word here on this document. Okay. So Shift F7. Now, at the place, I want I want to find out some word which has same meaning of the fast. So FAST fast likha on then search karo. See, quick, speedy, rapid, swift, express, SD, high speed. All these have common meanings, right? Similar meanings. Suppose I want to find a word look. Look की जगह पे क्या कर सकते हैं? Appearance, expression, air, expect, guess, mean. These all are like similar words, okay, which have meaning like same. So this thesaurus option is used for this feature. Subscript, okay, subscript. So let me write something here. H2SO4, okay, H2SO4. This is some scientific name, and this 2 should be blow, 4 should be blow. So you can click here, and then you can apply the subscript from here. This 4 select, and then again click here for subscript. Okay, this is a subscript option, but the same thing you can do with the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key for subscript? Control plus equal. It's mean first you have to select this 2, then press control and equal. Now I'm going to press control equal from the keyboard. See, like this. इसको select किया, then press control and equal. ये भी हो गया. Okay, this is the subscript option. Hyperlink हम बाद में करेंगे, अभी नहीं. Format painter का भी अभी नहीं करेंगे हम इसको, ठीक है. In the next class we will do this option. This format painter और कौन सा बताया था? Hyperlink. Not right now. Okay, superscript. Let me practice for the superscript portion. Okay, there's a mathematical formula, okay? A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So how we can write? This 2 should be up, okay? Small size and up. तो इसको select करो and then you can click here to apply this superscript like this. This 2 को भी select करो और यहाँ पे click करोगे superscript apply करने के लिए इसको भी select करना है and then like this, okay? The same thing you can do with the keyboard also. Just simply select this and at the place of click here there's shortcut key control shift and plus plus, okay? तो क्या करेंगे इसको select करेंगे, we will select this and then press control shift and plus from the keyboard like this. Select this, then control shift and plus from the keyboard. इसको select किया, control shift और plus press किया. But not the numeric don't press the numeric keys plus, okay? You have to press the control shift plus which is on the second row of the keyboard. Let me show you some keyboard option, okay? There's a keyboard, okay? There is a sign of plus, this one, and there's another plus here also. So you have to not use this plus, okay? You have to use this plus sign. Control, shift, and this one plus. ये वाला प्लस यूज करना है, ठीक है आप लोगों को? This one. Don't use this plus. Don't use this plus, okay? You have to use which one plus? ये वाला plus use करना है. Control shift और ये वाला plus. So this option is also clear.